Hi, this is Ron Gardner. I'm going to go through setting up a live stream using YouTube and the Adobe Flash Media Encoder. So I'm following along with the directions we have, but there are some changes to them. So firstly, I'm going to sign into our Google account that we have the Patriot Show on, which I've done right there. And then I'm going to go to the live dashboard. Okay, and here we have the dashboard. So now I am going to go to live streaming, click on that, and to expand out. There we go, and stream now is where I'm clicking next. Okay, as I do that, I'm going to check my thumbnail. So let me see if I can, there's my YouTube logo, we called it. So we've got the right thumbnail there. Alrighty, and notice we have the live streaming checklist over here as well. Okay, so I have my basic info, which is testing, schedule next stream, 11:10. I better make it 11:15 because I'm not going to get it done in a minute. Okay, so I've got my time. Education is the category, privacy is public. I'm going to use these two in a couple minutes. Actually, let me do them now. So I'm going to copy my server URL and make sure that it matches the server URL I have in Flash Media Encoder. And I should only have to do this once or twice. I'm going to grade this out later on because that's my stream key. I'm also going to go back and I am going to copy my stream key, but I guess I have to reveal it first. Copy my stream key and go back and paste it in over here for the stream. Shouldn't have to do that every time. I'm also going to connect. Okay, so I've got all that jazz done. I'm going to go back over here to Chrome on my live dashboard YouTube page, click on Advanced Settings. Okay, so I've still got my name and stuff. I do not want live chat. I don't want slow mode. I do want to automatically block spam messages. Standard YouTube license. My caption certification has never been aired. I'm going to allow embedding. I can promote on my channel page when the event is live. Okay, look, my other column is categories education. My language is English. Recording date is today. I don't care about that. Certainly, we're not going monetary. Because this is a test, I'm going to archive it unlisted once the stream has ended, but for normal things, I would not. Comments. I don't want comments on this, but you could. You can do all except potentially inappropriate or approved. A lot of times we'll do approved. Again, I'm not doing it today. Users can view ratings fine. We have played around with normal latency, low latency, and ultra low latency. I'm going to go back to normal latency, and I'm going to hope it works. Okay, so click on that. All right. And if I did everything right, I can go live dashboard now. Okay, and what it told me, I've already done that jazz. So, here's my setup encoder software. I've done all that. Okay. I added the stream information. I did all that. My optional features. Let me see. I don't care about faster chat. Okay, and then go live. To start streaming, start your encoder. So now I need to go and check my encoder. Okay, so my preset is custom. I'm using the VR3EX, H264, 30 frames a second. My input size is 640 by 800. I've got my bit rate set at 2000. My output 1280 by 720. I've already verified the URL and the stream key. I am using, right now I'm using my microphone because I'm talking, but normally we would be using the line VR3EX. If I switch to that, I have to talk through a different mic, so I'm not going to do that. Everything else I'm going to leave alone, and I'm going to pray that this works. So let me set it up, hit start. As soon as I hit start, my stream should start, and let's see if it works. Okay. And I have good health. We haven't had good health on these in a good little while, so there's what I see on my screen. This is a test. Obviously I'm using the chroma key. I don't want to create highlights or change thumbnails. And I'm watching my live stream health because that's been an issue that we've had. So I'm going to let that go for about 30 or 40 seconds and see what happens. If my stream health does not go bad, and normally it would by now, but I'm going to let it run a full minute. We're on 45 seconds on the clock. Go up to a minute. If my stream health is still good after a minute, I'm going to go back to my encoder and shut her down. And there's a minute, so I'm going to switch back to my encoder. Stop the encoder. Once I stop the encoder, this should drop out in just a second or two. And we are offline. So, so far we've managed to set it up, get it to work, and also maintained a good stream health. So